I know that our request is receiving attention, and the earlier the person is, the better for all of us. Yes. And we have said it, that we are not going to deter, we are not going to relent until what is right is done. The president of Pengasam has given us all his backing, and he has told us that he's here with us in spirit, and the entire CWC is with us. Yeah. So I don't want us to shake, don't be afraid. Just know that you have the backings of the leadership to do what you need to do to get what you need to have. Solidarity.
Solidarity. Forever. Yes, we want to come and tell you here that the construction senior staff are with you. Yeah. In fact, my members are on their way now, and I can assure the Federal Minister of Finance that it is better you settle this matter today. Otherwise, you know the construction workers, igbo. We are going to block here. Tell your minister that we are here to stay. And tell the government secretary that we are here. The government cannot be responsible. We should not be forcing you to do the right thing. So we are here to say, you are one of them. Thank you. Pengasam, we are with you in spirit and physically. Solidarity.
Pick your voice.
Yes. On my honor. This thing will be done. If it is not, I will come and receive. This thing is not done. It is not done. Let me be the first to be blocked from coming out. Say, okay, I'm in talk with your president. The job that is in route to somebody. I said, today is Tuesday. Before Friday, you are getting your alert. Today, they will start processing. Give us time to be able to do this.
By struggle, freedom come. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle, freedom come. Solidarity. Solidarity. Thank you. Solidarity. Struggle, freedom come. And I just want to tell my members, you can see now that our matter has gone to the peak of it. And now it's no more under my control. I'm now working under authority. And I want you to, let me say, be rest assured, what belongs to us will come to us. So let's continue with our struggle. We should not have any issue with anybody. Let's continue. What we are here for is our entitlement. So let's continue with our struggle until we hear otherwise. So when I say otherwise, not from me, but from the top. So